Yeah, hello. Welcome back.
Okay.
In previous session, we have covered cash sales and rush orders,
Mm.
right?
Yeah. Yes.
So in this class, we are going to discuss about some other sales and argument types.
Okay.
Here the first one is a return process.
Mm. Okay.
What do you know about the return process? Returns means the customer has purchased some material from the company, right?
Yeah.
And if the customer think that they would like to return the material, then the customer will,
Okay.
because if something happened to the material, then the customer will return the material. Are we not
Mm.
doing it?
Yeah. Do.
Yeah, we are doing it, right?
Mm. Yes.
When we are purchasing the material from the Flipkart, and if we think either the material is defective and the damaged one or expired one, then what we are doing, we are returning the material to the Flipkart.
Mm. Okay.
So like the same way, if customers purchase the material and if they would like to return the material, then we have to do the return order in the SAP.
Okay.
Okay, this is the purpose of return
Mm.
order. And let me tell you, when the customer return means when the customer return the goods, we do the return order, right, in SAP.
Mm.
So I will, so
Yes.
let me tell you in which scenarios the customer will return the goods.
Mm.
The customer mainly
Okay.
return the goods when the goods are damaged
Okay.
and when the goods are expired.
Mm.
In the same way,
Yeah. Someday.
yeah, when the goods are
Mm.
defective,
Mm.
and in the case of over delivery means actually the customer has placed an order for 100 quantity of the material,
Mm.
and if the company has delivered 120 quantity, for example, so here
Mm.
the 20 quantity got delivered as an excess one, so over delivery.
Mm.
So in this case, the customer will return the goods, for which we have to create a return order.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Actually, in the companies, what will happen is whenever the customer finds
Mm. Mm.
the defective goods or the damaged goods like that,
Mm.
then the customer will inform the same to the sales manager.
Mm.
Then the company will send the employee to the
Mm.
customer's place to check the goods.
Mm.
Then employee will cross check the goods. After cross checking,
Mm.
the after cross checking by the employee means the one who
Mm.
came from the company,
Mm.
he will prepare a return note.
Mm.
After preparing a return note, employee will submit it to the company. Then user will create a return order with the reference to the invoice. Are you clear?
Okay. Okay. Got
So
it.
here you have to know some key points.
Mm.
While creating the return order,
Mm.
we have to mention the return reason,
Mm.
means order
Yeah. Yeah.
reason.
Yes. Yes. Mm.
Okay?
Okay.
Return order will be automatically blocked for billing. That's what we have seen, right? In the control.
Mm.
Let me
Yeah.
let me open that. What is the order type for return order?
Hari.
RE. Good.
Mm.
See, it is automatically blocked for billing.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
And
Zero
we,
eight means return
yeah.
order.
Hello.
08 means return order.
No, no. 08 means
Mm.
check credit memo. No, whatever it may be.
Check it. Mm.
Actually, there are many blocks here,
Mm.
but for return order, the
Mm.
block is 08 means check credit memo.
Mm.
which means through written order we will create the credit memo to the user, means to the customers. Then we create the written order with reference to invoice. When the customer returns the goods to the company, we create the return delivery with reference to the return order. Okay. After return delivery, the authorized person will go through the change mode of the delivery and they will remove the billing block here. Then only the system will allow us to create return invoice. Okay. We create the return invoice with reference to return order. Okay. When we create a return invoice, system generates accounting document. What is that entry?
Okay.
Revenue account.
Revenue account debit.
Yes. Here revenue account debit to customer account credit. Previously that was customer account debit to revenue account credit, right? So here the entry will get reverse.
Okay.
In the return process, we will create a return invoice with reference to what is that? Return order.
Order.
So you may get a question, why we create a return invoice with a reference to the return order, but not with the reference to the return quantity?
Because order has been returned based on the order only.
Yes, why? That's what the question is.
Because total quantity is mentioned in order. That's why you have to.
That's what. The quantity which we entered at the customer place, that should be copied to the return invoice, but not the quantity which was actually received, right? So example, customer sent back 30, but we got 25 only to the company. 5 is damaged. Then we create the return invoice for 25.
25. Okay.
Then what will happen? When we create the return invoice value will be debited from the customer outstanding. Outstanding means what the customer has to pay. So it will be get debited from there.
Voice is not clear.
Yeah, is it okay now?
Yeah, okay.
Okay then. See, now let me create one return order for your clarity. What is the transaction to create the orders? What is the transaction to create the order?
A01. A01.
What is the transaction to create the orders?
A01.
Yes. So let me create the first. Let me create the order first. This is the standard order which I am creating now. So here our material is Dolo, yeah, Dolo 400. So here the value came, and if we see the incompletion log, here the document is completed. So let me do the delivery.
No schedule line due to
No schedule lines,
no.
right? Okay, not an issue. We'll change it to. See, now what we are doing is here we are giving the quantity as 50, and here I'm just giving the batch. But in your case, it will not ask you the batch.
Hmm. Maybe the net is slow.
Yeah, it is taking some time. Okay. The delivery got created now, right? So let me create invoice. What is the transaction? VF?
VF01.
Yes, VF01. So see,
Okay.
here the invoice also got created.
Okay.
And let us check once the document flow. See, this is the order, and this is the delivery, and this is the invoice,
Okay.
right?
Yes, yes.
So here we can see the document flow. Then let me take the invoice here, invoice number. So now what we are creating, what we have to create? Return order, right?
Better now.
So let me go to VA01. What is the order type for return order?
RE. RE.
When we enter, we will get the error. RE has not defined for the sales area. Then we have to go to the
OVH.
transaction OV
OVH.
AZ. So here we have to give the new entries M100, M1, M1, and this is
RE.
see now it is allowing, right?
Yeah.
So here let me do one thing. Yeah, create with the reference. We have to click on create with a reference. What is that? The document which we are giving as reference, billing document. Okay, and I have given the invoice here. Then let me copy. See, can we see the details here for the 50 quantity only, and for the material Dolo 400 the order was got created, but
Okay.
now the return quantity, how much the quantity is going to be written now? 25. So we have changed the quantity 25 here, and we have to deliver. But see, when we are going to deliver, it will give us one error message that billing block is there, right? See, billing block, it's there, right? We have to, means here the authorized person will go through this billing block and they will remove it. And we can give some other reason here. Okay. See, now the return order got saved. Here we have
Save.
created the return order
So
for the
you
quantity.
removed that. You removed that billing block, right? So that's why
Yeah. I have removed
it
it.
was. Okay. Okay.
And let me go through the return order again.
Okay.
VA0. This is the change mode of the return order. See, here we can see the quantity 25 is going to be returned. And I
Okay.
have removed that billing block and I have given some order reason.
Okay.
Okay.
Hmm.
So let me do the delivery. What delivery we are doing now? Return delivery.
Delivery.
Return delivery. Okay.
So here the picking quantity is 0, right?
Hmm.
Because we are not going to pick it from any storage location.
Hmm.
Okay, it will be returned to the storage location.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so what we have to do
Hmm.
now? Post goods.
Goods issue. Okay.
Previously,
PGA.
what is that? Previously, that was post goods issue.
Hmm.
Yes, yes.
This is post goods receipt.
What? Oh, okay.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
so
Hmm.
let me click on it. So return has been saved.
Okay.
Okay, what will happen when you do PGA? Inventory accounting document will not generate.
Hmm.
Why? Because the return stock is temporary stock.
Hmm.
After taking the stock into the return stock,
Hmm.
then the company will decide whether to send the stock to the quality inspection stock or blocked stock or unrestricted stock.
Hmm.
Hmm.
And we can see the stock also. We can see the
Okay.
25 quantity is in a return stock.
Hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
which was
Hmm.
not moved to the unrestricted one because once the return process completes, means once the return delivery completes, then the stock will be moved to the return stock. From here,
Hmm.
the company means the people will think if the stock has to be moved to quality inspection or to the
Hmm.
unrestricted one or to the blocked one or whatever it may be,
Hmm.
then they will move the stock.
Okay.
Hmm.
Okay,
So now stock is not restricted, restricted.
Now, which one?
Yes, sir.
Unrestricted
Yeah.
stock means this is the
Understood.
genuine stock which we are using now.
Okay. Okay.
See, now here we can see quality inspection.
Unrestricted stock means you are supplying stock to customer from this stock, from this
Yes,
stock only.
Yeah.
Okay.
and here the reserved stock, here the recipient. So like this,
Hmm.
we can see all the options: on order stock,
Hmm.
consignment one,
Hmm.
okay,
Okay.
blocked stock, so return stock, like this.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
So they will think, the business will think where the stock has to be moved. Then they will move the stock.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
So what we have to do now? We have to create the return invoice. So let
Okay.
me go through the transaction VF01. Here we have to save. See, what is the document type here? Credit for
RE.
returns, RE. The
Hmm.
standard
Yeah.
which we have used was F2.
Hmm.
And here
Okay.
the return order got saved.
Hmm.
So let me see the document flow. See, previously the standard order got created and delivery got created and invoice got created.
Hmm.
Then a
Okay.
return order got created. See, returns. Here, this is the return process.
Hmm.
Okay. Then the return invoice got created.
Hmm.
Are you clear with it?
Yeah.
Clear.
So this is about the return process. And if you go here, see, return order this one and the return delivery. This is goods issue. and this is credit.
Okay.
Mm.
Mhm.
So this is about the written process, and in our next class we will discuss about the creation of credit memo request.
Mm.
Okay.
So I
Okay.
think you are clear with this session, and I am going to conclude it now.